Well, whether you're a professional woodworker or just looking to finish up your own do-it-yourself project, Woodworks Supply has everything you need from start to finish. Brian and Charlie told us more about what you'll find in their store, as well as their exceptional customer service. Brian, Charlie, welcome to Out and About Columbus, and thanks for having us out to Woodworks Supply. And let me start with you, Charlie. This place is massive. I've never seen so many things for woodworking and so much wood. Tell us a little bit about your place here.
Well, we're a full service for woodworking supply people, whether they're amateurs or professionals or just getting started.
Tell me about some of the brands you carry.
Well, we carry, 15 years ago, we brought Rockler Woodworking and Hardware into the store. And once we brought them into the mix, that's when we became what many people will consider us to be the most complete woodworking supply store in the Midwest. I mean, anything that they need to complete their project, we have it here.
Well, I'm going to turn to you, Brian, because I understand that not only is this a place where you can buy your products, but also the customer service and the help is tremendous. Tell us about that.
Well, we try our best. Everyone on staff here is a woodworker. We might all focus on different parts of it, but we can all kind of help you along your journey. What it is you're trying to create.
So anybody can shop here, the public or if you're professional.
Yeah, that's right. We have people stop in here almost daily thinking that we did some sort of specialized woodworking here, and they've just continued to drive by year after year, and they finally stop in and find out that there's a wealth of knowledge and wealth of products inside.
Well, tell us how we can find out more information about Woodworks Supply.
Well, we've got a pretty concise website. You can go to thisiswoodworking.com, and you're going to find a lot of our products there. And we try to do some pretty regular posts on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram, and try to get some fun messages out there too sometimes. So or feel free to give us a call. We're here to help over the phone too. 614-575-2400. Get you to anybody here in the store.
Wonderful. Again, thank you so much for sharing this information for those who didn't know it existed.